you guys are not afraid to work more than what would be necessary or what the customer is asking for. No matter what I do on my part, you will reach out and extend and say, hey, look, everything is going great. Do you have any questions or concerns? Do you have any photos? Do you have anything you want to talk about? Anything you want to add? Any concerns? 100% satisfied. I don't think the prices are too outrageous or, on the ground. I think the biggest thing with me is results, and you guys have proven and shown results. So prices are, they reflect essentially what I think the company does. And you guys do a great job of what you do, but I personally believe prices are very fair for the amount of work that goes into it. BizIQ, you guys have done a great job with everything on my part. And yeah, 100%. If I know anybody or run into anybody that is discussing anything with marketing, I'm going to say, hey, look, don't do it yourself. Don't waste your money with others. Simply just, BizIQ is going to lead you the right way, or they're going to at least give you an honest answer of what needs to be done. But every time I get a call from BizIQ, I literally pick up the phone, pretty happy, like, hey, what's going on, guys? Because I know it's going to be something positive, and it's always at least informative and a good thing to have those calls versus, hey, look, I'm paying X amount per month, but nobody's calling, no one's saying anything, no one's updating me. No, it's quite the opposite. Everyone has been very, very helpful, and I'm very happy with everyone I'm working with right now.